Hi everyone, I'm Kat Kahn from Bay County Public Library here with another episode of Upcycled Origami with Kat. This time we're going to be making some party ideas. So if you are going to have any kind of Chinese or Japanese dinner party, this is a nice little sleeve, a decorative sleeve to put your chopsticks in. And this way you can also match up by using gift wrap paper, which is what I use, a little napkin ring with a little heart shape, and the very, very simple chopstick rest. See, when you're eating with chopsticks, you really should not be putting them across your bowl or across your plate. It's not really considered good etiquette. But you also don't want to lay them right on the table. So if you have just a little bit of a rest like this, you can just rest the chopsticks like so, so that your eating end is not lying on the table. And then very, very simple. So with theme, you can choose any kind of wrapping paper. I happen to have these really cute bugs and fruits, so this would be like a great garden party, springtime party, summer, whatever. But you can use any kind of gift wrap. It could be holiday, birthday, whatever you want. Now, just a note, for the chopsticks holder, we're going to use 8-inch square paper. And for the napkin ring, we're going to use 5-inch square paper. And for the little chopstick rest, this is a little odd size. This is about 2.5 inches wide by 4.5 inches long. And that makes the perfect size for your little chopstick holder. All these designs come from a book called Practical Origami, which this is my personal copy, so we're going to see about getting a copy for the library, but it might be a while. To do the chopsticks holder, you take your 8-inch square paper, you're going to fold it in half vertically. So if you have a design like mine, you want to make sure it's going up and down, okay? So we don't want the bugs to be sideways. So you just fold it in half like that. Then you're going to open it back up, and you're going to fold each of the right and left edges into the center. You want to just make some nice creases there, so it looks like that. Then you're going to open it back up. Now on the right end, to you this is the right end. When it's facing me, it will be the right end. With the white side up, you're going to actually turn it over, and you're going to fold the edge just a little bit, about 1/4 inch or so. You don't want any more than that, just to get a little border, okay? And you're just going to fold that down. And crease it. It's going to look like that. Turn it back over to the white side, and now you're going to fold this top edge to meet along that first vertical crease. So you're going to be folding into a little triangle like so. Okay. Now take this other side, and you're going to fold the top edge to meet along the center crease, like this. Then you're going to fold that edge in like so, and then fold it one more time, like that. Then you're going to fold this one right over, like that. And then, just to make sure it closes, take the bottom And you're going to fold the bottom edge up about not even an inch, maybe somewhere between 1/2 inch and 3/4 of an inch. Just fold it right up like so, and it's done. These are the kinds of disposable chopsticks that you can buy from some of the Asian markets. You could, if you want, actually pull this sleeve off and tuck your chopsticks right in here. If you happen to have regular chopsticks, like in my house, oh my gosh, we have so many pairs of chopsticks that we use all the time because we eat a lot of food that need chopsticks. Then you could use your nicer chopsticks in here as well. And there you go, very, very simple decorative chopstick holder. That napkin ring, you're going to have this cool little heart shape, okay? And then the rest of it will make a ring to hold your napkin. So take your paper and you're going to fold it in half into a rectangle. Open it up and fold it again from the other edge so that you're going to have your paper with the vertical creases across, making like 4 squares. Now take your top edge, fold it down to the center crease like this, then open it up, and now you're going to fold this top edge down to that crease that you just made. And it's going to look just like that. And then you're going to fold this edge down just like so. Okay? Now turn the paper over, and you're going to fold these top edges down to meet along the center crease. So the first one looks like that. So you have this design, okay? You're going to turn it over again, and you're going to fold this top point down, and see where your angles end? You're going to fold that top edge down just about to where those angles end, just like this. Make a nice sharp crease. Turn it back over on this side. And you're going to fold this folded edge. You're going to fold it up to go right along the top edge, just like that. Then you're going to open this up and lift this part up and fold it back so it's going to be, so this crease is going to meet right along, it's going to be horizontal, okay? So you're going to have that shape, right? And do the same thing on the other side. So now that you have this shape, you're going to take, see this little top edge here, you're going to fold this one again down to meet along the center crease, and so you're going to end up with a little point here, just like that. And you're going to do the same thing on the other side. So like this. Now look, when you turn it around, you see your heart. So all this stuff here, we're going to fold this bottom edge up to meet the bottom edges of the other, just like this. Okay, and then we're going to fold this up like that, and one more time, fold it over So you see your back here is kind of locking in the heart shapes in the back. And now you've got this heart with these strips. What you're going to do is kind of wrap around and tuck one end into that little flap there. Now, often that isn't going to necessarily hold, especially with the gift wrap paper that's a little slicker. So you can either use a dab of glue or my handy dandy double stick tape. This comes in and saves me so much effort because this way you don't have to wait for the glue to dry. And you're just going to kind of tuck that piece of tape right in there and then slide that in like so and press it down. There you go. You've got a napkin ring. And then you can just kind of flatten the creases a little bit. And now, see, you've got enough space here to insert a rolled up napkin. You can, if you had nice big napkins, you can make this out of like 6-inch square paper and it will hold a nice big cloth napkin. But for most paper napkins, and this is one of the big ones, when you just rolled it up, not too big, it will fit right in like so, and you have your decorative rolled up napkin holder. Now, like I said, this one is super easy. Okay, so you've got your strip of paper. You're going to fold it in half lengthwise, just like that. And now you're just going to fold this into thirds. So you can just kind of guesstimate it, you know. You figure you got roughly a third like that. And then you're going to fold this edge down over it. And if it doesn't quite meet, it doesn't hurt. It's not going to be bad. So now you have this little strip. All you have to do now is like make a little knot. So you're just going to fold one end over and push it down, and then just work it carefully so that you don't tear the paper, and just work it to form this kind of a triangular type of knot. And it doesn't have to be perfect. You just kind of work it like that, and there you go. Very, very simple. It's all you need to be the chopstick rest. And so you have a nice place setting at your party table. All right, have fun.